Today's unboxing is on the latest Tomica Red Box release for the month of December, which marked the end of Tomica 50th anniversary. We have the pair of Lexus RCF Performance Package with first color release, and also the Toyota Crown. I will feature the Long Tomica Self-Defense Force, the recovery vehicle, next week. And now let's take a closer look at the latest Toyota Crown in 1:66 scale. Standard red box design with the new for 2020 50th anniversary sticker. Overall details are basic. There's some details on the grille, including the badge. A little bit disappointed that the headlights are painted. Body is in pearl white, in gloss finish that sort of enhance the premiumness of this casting. The overall quality can be better. You can see there's some flaw on the paint job. Standard button wheel sets with factory suspension with no opening components. Details are basic for the rear with painted rear lights. If you are a Toyota Crown fan, this is a good update for you to add into your collection. Although no opening components, the casting at 1:66 looks solid and is good to hold. Next, the Lexus RCF Performance Package in regular color, in a scale of 1:64, standard box design with the gold label. It's quite impressive casting. Although details on the grille are basic, the Lexus badge are legible with plastic insert headlights to add some realism to the casting. I really like the color combination. The bonnet and the roof are in gunmetal in semi-gloss finish, and the body color is in pearl white in gloss finish, hence the casting looks striking with a lot of contrast. Standard racing wheels with suspension without any opening components. Basic details for the rear with painted rear lights and the Lexus badge. The spoiler is in plastic that comes separately as another unit. Overall, this Lexus RCF is a great casting to end off 2020. Lastly, the Lexus RCF Performance Package in first color release. Wow, this first color totally gives me a different look and feel than the regular version. The whole casting is in matte finish instead of gloss. This Lexus RCF looks stylish and aggressive with a lot of character. The bonnet and the roof are in gunmetal, while the body is in light gunmetal. Upon close-up, the two-tone has a distinctive difference. Standard wheel sets with suspension without any opening features. The rear is basic with painted rear lights and the Lexus badge, together with a plastic spoiler, plastic base which is rather detailed at the scale of 1:64. And I'm very happy that the Toyota Crown and the Lexus RCF are selected to end Tomica 50th anniversary in 2020. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.